Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an invitation letter in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and then it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our project. But for now we have to select the plus icon in the bottom bar to create what we want. And then we are going to be offered a list of different kinds of formats in which we can create. From this list we have to select the invitation, like this. And then the app is going to present us, going to create the format. And then we can select from templates and different kinds of styles to create our invitation. And after we are done, we can save it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.